Is your Maytag Bravos XL filling with water but not agitating? This video will quickly guide you through diagnosing and fixing the problem. We'll cover the actuator, washplate, and drive system, the most common culprits. By the end, you'll know where to start, so let's get into it. Before you start any repair work on your Maytag Bravos XL washer, safety must come first. Always unplug the washer from the electrical outlet to prevent the risk of electrical shock. This is a critical step that cannot be skipped. Additionally, make sure there is no water remaining in the washer drum. Residual water can create hazards during repair and may indicate other issues that need attention. Once the washer is safely unplugged and drained, we can move on to diagnosing the agitation problem. Start by checking the washer's display for error codes. The F7E1 code often indicates an actuator issue, while F5E3 suggests a drive motor problem. Next, visually inspect the washplate for cracks or damage. Check the actuator wires for any signs of damage or loose connections. Finally, examine the belt for signs of slippage or wear. To test the components, run a no-load cycle by starting the washer empty. Observe if the washplate moves during agitation. If the washplate doesn't move at all, suspect the actuator or drive system. The drive system includes motor, transmission, and belts that power agitation. If the washplate moves but doesn't agitate close effectively, it's likely a washplate problem. Use a multimeter to test electrical continuity in components like the actuator. If the actuator is faulty, the washer often displays error code F7E1, indicating no agitation or spin. This solenoid-operated mechanism controls shifting between modes and commonly fails due to wear. Before starting, unplug the washer and make sure the drum is empty of water and clothes. You'll need basic tools like a screwdriver and optionally a multimeter to test continuity. To replace the actuator, first remove the top panel to access it. Disconnect the wires, remove the faulty actuator, and install the new one, ensuring proper fit. Reconnect wires and reassemble the panel. Replacement actuators cost $50 to $100. Make sure to get the exact model for your Maytag Bravos XL to ensure compatibility. They're available at appliance parts stores or online. After replacement, plug in the washer and run a test cycle to verify agitation works. If the problem continues, it may indicate another issue and professional help might be needed. If the washplate is cracked or stuck, begin by removing it. Locate the center bolt and unscrew it counterclockwise to release the washplate from the washer drum. After removal, examine the center bolt carefully. Look for signs of stripping or worn threading. If the bolt shows damage, attempt to repair it using thread restoration tools rather than immediately replacing the whole washplate assembly. If repair isn't possible or the washplate itself is too damaged, replace it entirely. New washplates typically cost between $20 and $50, depending on the model and retailer. Drive system issues often manifest as grinding noises during the wash cycle. This indicates problems with the motor, belts, or transmission components. To inspect the motor capacitor, remove it from the washer and test its capacitance using a multimeter. A healthy capacitor should show around 200 microfarads or more. Belt replacements are generally inexpensive, costing between $10 and $20 for the part. This is often a straightforward fix for drive system issues.